Hey everyone, welcome back. We have already built pages and even set up our database with posts. But now let's take a step back and understand how RedwoodJS actually moves data from the server to your components. Let's start with the big picture, how data actually travels through a RedwoodJS app. Redwood is built around GraphQL. It's not just an option, it's at the heart of how your frontend talks to your backend. So here's what happens. When your frontend like your Get pages and components needs some data, let's say a list of blog posts, it sends a GraphQL request. This request is handled by Apollo client, which Redwood includes by default. Apollo takes your GraphQL query and sends it over the network to your backend. Now on the server side, Redwood uses a tool called GraphQL Yoga, powered by Envelope, to receive that request. These tools act like the gatekeepers for all your data requests. The request enters through a file called GraphQL.js located in API source functions. This file acts as the entry point to your backend GraphQL API. So to sum up this flow, the front end sends a query using Apollo. The query goes to GraphQL.js. That file is picked up by GraphQL Yoga and Envelope. They route the request to your app's API logic, which we are about to explore. Now, here's how Redwood keeps things clean. It splits your API into two parts. The STL files describe what data looks like what the post is and what info we can ask for. The services are where you actually write the code to get or update the data. And guess what? Redwood automatically connects them for you, no extra setup needed. Let me give you an example. If we go to API source GraphQL, we'll find a post.stl.js. This defines the post type and the different action we can perform, like getting all posts or adding a new one. And if we go to the services post, you will find a matching service file. Each function here matches what you saw in the STL file, like post to get everything or create post to add something new. Most of the time, these functions use Prisma behind the scene to talk to your database. That would take care of the technical stuff like async handling, so you can keep your code clean and readable. Now, why are they called services? Because they are more than just one thing. In bigger apps, services might talk to multiple database tables or even external APIs. It's a smart way to organize your app and avoid putting all your logic in one place. It also keeps things usable. You can call a service from another service or even outside of GraphQL if needed. So here's the quick recap of a Redwood data journey. The front end sends an GraphQL request using Apollo. It goes to GraphQL.js. Yoga and Envelope receive it. It matches to your STL and sent to the service. The service gets the data from the database and it's all sent back to the front end. Nice and smooth. And that's the Redwood data journey. It might seem like a lot, but Redwood keep it super clean by taking care of the messy parts. GraphQL becomes a natural bridge between your UI and your database, and you barely have to think about it. So in the next video, we will explore more. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you there.